Hello, welcome to my channel Learn with Experience. Yesterday we have completed the question number 6, exercise 5.2 arithmetical progressions. So now we will do today the question number 7. So without delay, just we will start. The question number 7 is find the 31st term of an AP. एक एपी है, एक अरिथमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशन है जिसका हमको 31st टर्म निकालना है कि 31st टर्म उसका क्या होगा, हुज जिसका 11वां टर्म इज 38 एंड द 16वां टर्म इज 78। मतलब कोई एपी है उसमें अगर हम पहला टर्म, दूसरा टर्म, तीसरा टर्म देखें तो हिसाब से जो 11वां टर्म है वो 38 है, 11th टर्म, और जो 16th यानी जो 16वां टर्म है वो 73 है। तो कह रहा उस सीरीज का, उस एपी का हमको 31st 31वां टर्म निकालना है। सो वी जस्ट स्टार्ट। given that 11th term T11 is equal to 38 and 16th term T16 is equal to 73. Okay, now we suppose that first term, now we suppose given series, suppose that given AP first term is A and common difference equal to D. So therefore Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Formula. Okay, now T11 is equal to A plus n is equal to 11 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 10D. Okay, and T16 is equal to A plus similarly A plus 15D. Okay. But here we can put T11 is 38. So we just put here 38 is equal to A plus 10D, and here T16th is equal to 73. So we will put here the 73 is equal to A plus 15D. We can say this is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2, because you can see this, and this is the two variable equation you have also studied in the first part. Two variable equation you have already learned, you remember. So we solve from the subtraction method from equation 1 and 2. So we will get, when we subtract from this one, to a and a will be cancelled. 15D minus 10D is equal to 5D and 73 minus 30D is equal to, so we just write directly 5D is equal to 5 and 3. Okay, so else we can say D is equal to 7. Okay, now put the value D in equation 1. So a will be 38 minus 10, D is 7 is equal to 38 minus 70 is equal to 32. Okay, so here will be the minus 32. Okay, now T 31st term is equal to A is minus 30, A plus 31 minus D, 31 minus 1 into D, D is equal to 7, D is equal to 7. So it will be the D. Okay, so A plus 30D is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7. Okay, it will be the minus 32 plus 210. It will be the 178. So T31 is equal to 178. If you subtract from 20 to 10 from 21032, then you will get the 172. Hence the 31st term of given AP is 178. Okay, thank you so much for this is the answer actually. So thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please comment so I can whatever you have used, please comment so I can explain in a better way. Thank you so much.